We welcome you to EclipseSurveillance.com.
Hello, I'm going to go over how to set up motion recording on the Nubix TRX. We're going to start off by getting into the menu. Once in the menu, we will go into the record section, which looks like a hard drive icon. By default, the TRX comes on continuous record, but since we want to put it on motion, we're going to set a schedule. Before we set the schedule, we first need to create a record program. So click on the Edit Program button. In the program editor, you will see two columns, one for normal record and event record. So to record motion, you want to make sure that your normal record FPS column is set to 0 for each camera. When finished, then you can move over to the FPS column under Event Record and place what frames per second you want your DVR to record when motion happens. For this example, I'm going to leave it on 30 frames per second so that I can get real-time recording. When complete, click on the X on the top right of the menu. Now that we have the program created, we can now set a schedule with our program. For example, we made program A, and all we gotta do is fill in the timeline of Monday through Sunday with the green color, which represents program A. Once you have your record schedule filled in, then click on the X on the top right of the menu. Then press Save Changes. Once the changes have been saved, please proceed to the Event section of the menu and select the Motion tab. In here, make sure you have all the channels activated for motion detection. You can also select the sensitivity of the camera, and then after you do that, just select Apply to all channels so it's all done to all the channels at once. Then Save Changes. Once your menu changes have been applied, let's test this motion recording out. So in this example, I'm just using a broomstick to wave in front of the camera view. And as you see on the top left corner of that camera, there is a red circle and a motion detection icon. So once you see that, that means you are recording motion. Thank you for watching our video on how to set up motion recording on the Nubix TRX.